Hey, what's up, Griddle Nation? Matt Hussey here. We are at the Griddle Crew Social Summit.
Look at that thing.
2023, first ever Griddle Crew Summit in beautiful Logan, Utah. And so we're hanging out here. We're doing a lot of cooking, doing a little chilling. We're doing some eating, some good groceries. And Daniel Anderson, man, what do you got going on here, brother?
Well, we're cooking a North Carolina style broadleaf hot dog.
Y'all, I know this looks strange, but hey, this is a straight up North Carolina thing. Look at these red hot dogs. These are Carolina Packer red hot dogs. It's a true staple. Daniel Anderson, what are we gonna do here, brother?
Well, today we're gonna do what we call a Carolina style broadleaf hot dog. It's gonna be mustard, chili, onions, and slaw.
Whoa.
And if you...
Wait a minute. What kind of slaw?
The only kind of slaw there is Eastern North Carolina style slaw.
Whoa, my friend. Well, we're gonna do a little take on it for my style. We do a little Western North Carolina, Lexington style. We do a little red slaw.
Nah.
Y'all, I guarantee it's gonna be some good groceries. That's some good groceries. All right, y'all, hey, we are back from beautiful Utah. We are back in North Cackalack. Lord have mercy, the humidity is here, let me tell you. It was hot over there, but it's hot here plus the humidity. Now, I can't wait to bring you the Lexington style, Western North Carolina style hot dog, similar to what Daniel Anderson did on the Griddle Crew, okay? First things first is we're gonna make our red slaw. That's right, red slaw. This thing is red and not white. We're gonna start out with a half a head of cabbage here. And what I like to do is chop the cabbage up, take off some of these outer leaves, and then you make slits. This is similar to cutting an onion and dicing an onion. You really want a nice fine dice on this cabbage, y'all. Once you got your cabbage diced up, now we're gonna make our sauce. Our sauce consists of 2/3 of a cup of ketchup, 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna do a dash of hot sauce here. We're gonna do about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and using about a 1 teaspoon of sugar here. Now, sugar, you don't want it overly sweet. The sugar is just kind of take a little bit of the bite off. Now we're just going to mix this up real well. Give it a little taste, see what you think. Think it needs a little bit more tang, add a little bit more vinegar. I think this is going to be good. Now we're going to add our cabbage and mix it well. As you can see, it takes on a nice red color. Boy, this is so beautiful. Now you want to set this, you want to chill it for about at least 20 minutes, if not overnight. Also, while we're doing this, we want to chop up an onion. This Carolina dog has onion on it also. Needs the onion, y'all, no matter what. All right, so we got a little bit of prep out of the way. We got one more thing to do. We need to make our chili. I'm just going to make a basic chili for y'all. What you'll find is it's very simple, but it is very good, and it comes together so nicely. We're going to start off by adding 1 pound of ground chuck to the griddle. And we're just going to get this cooked off. We're looking for a nice brown color for our chili. While our ground meat's working for our chili, now it's time for our hot dogs. Just like Daniel Anderson, we're using these Carolina bright leaf hot dogs. And if you notice that red tint to it, that right there knows you got a nice Carolina hot dog right there, y'all. Once your ground meat's it's pretty much all the way done, I want to bring this to the top, just to try to get some of that fat away. We don't want all that fat. We're gonna bring it to a pan. All right, we got our ground meat, got it in our pan. We're gonna put it back onto the Blackstone. And now we're gonna finish making our chili. And again, this is a super simple chili, but I always get high remarks of how good this is. I'll start off with some ketchup. This is probably about 3/4 of a cup ketchup. Got granulated garlic, about a half a teaspoon. Granulated onion, about a half a teaspoon. Chili powder, about 1 tablespoon. This is beef powder. I use this all the time. A lot of my beef dishes, I'll add about a teaspoon of beef powder. If you don't have beef powder, but though I recommend you do, you can just add some beef stock. And then we're gonna add just some water. Because we got that beef powder, we can add water, it'll be great. We're just gonna stir this up. All right, while your chili's working, come over here and make sure your hot dogs are getting a little bit more loving on some other sides. Hey, appreciate you watching thus far, y'all. If you don't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. All right, so our chili right here, y'all, it is done. Look at that, nice, thick, hearty chili in a matter of minutes. That's just how simple this chili recipe is. So while we're talking, let's talk about our buns. Let's talk about our buns, huh? Real simple bun. Normally I like a top slice bun, but these right here really just need a nice, simple bun, okay? One thing I do like to do with my buns, I like to toast them a little bit, just to get warm, right? Our hot dogs, they look nice. They got some nice char on there. I think they're pretty much ready. We'll take our buns. Everything's done. Chili's done. Dogs are done, buns are done, slaw's done. We got it all, y'all. That old Red Slaw right there. We call this barbecue slaw out in Lexington, North Carolina. Not real common anywhere else. Truth be told, we'll tell y'all a little secret. Don't tell anybody else. I like coleslaw, too. I like Red Slaw, but also like coleslaw. So some people in my area, only Red Slaw. We're gonna open these buns, hun. Let's put us a weenie in. Boy, that nice red color. Beautiful. If Daniel Anderson was right here, he'd be in heaven. Now, come in, some mustard. We'll come in with our chili. I might be a little biased, y'all, but this is already looking like a good old hot dog. All right, now we come in with our Red Slaw. Last but not least, you need these chopped onions, y'all. There you have it, y'all. That is a Carolina Western Lexington style hot dog. Boy, some good groceries. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little hot dogs. Which one? This one right here. Man, look at that right there. Woo. It's a beautiful hot dog. Let's give it a try. That takes me back. Whenever I used to play ball, I used to get those ball game hot dogs. This is exactly what they would do if you got it all the way. That bright leaf hot dog, it just makes it, and that Red Slaw really makes it too. It's nice. It's briny, vinegary, just oh so good. Y'all, this was a lot of fun to do, a collaboration with Daniel Anderson on the Griddle Crew. Hey, go check him out. He's on Instagram, Facebook. It's called Big Country. He's in Eastern North Carolina. So while you're at it, check out griddlenation.com, where you see all kinds of inspiration just like this, as well as Blackstone Network, where you'll find all kinds of other inspiration videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.